Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my friends. I'm 𝗔𝗲𝘃𝗶𝗃𝗵 𝗚𝗏 and I'm so glad you are here. I am a trainee at 𝗘𝗴𝗃𝗃 AI Teachers Institute. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick, honest, and helpful overview of Google Gemini, Google's powerful AI assistant that's making waves in 2024. This is tutorial in This tutorial is beginner-friendly, practical, and easy to follow. But before we dive in, here's a quick look at what we are going to cover. What Google Gemini is and why it matters. The importance of prompt engineering, 10 real-life uses, and that makes use
use. I canceled my Midjourney subscription because this AI does everything I need. I can upload my own photos and create perfectly Hi there, I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. Welcome to our Word of the Day series, where I've been taking your